All right, everybody, we're at the 2019 PGA Show at the Evnroll booth and the most wanted putter of the year. We've got interesting tests today. We've got the ER1, identical setup. The only difference is the gravity grip. We're going to put them on a head-to-head test today, show you what the difference is in the data on the Foresight GC Quad. And we've got Garen and Sam Robinson here from MyGolfSpy. They're going to run you through the test. Garen's going to kind of explain what's going on, and Sam's going to hit some putts to show you the data. So here we go.
All right, so as Adam just said, we got two grips. So this is our pistol grip. The difference in the two grips is that this being a pistol grip, it's all one piece. This is ultralight material, and it has a steel rod running right down the spine, about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch away from the shaft. So the idea is that your hands will pick up that weight down directly below the shaft, which in turn makes you feel where the face is as you move through the hitting zone. And this is going to tell us what's going on at impact. We're hitting up our roll board. It's about a 10-foot putt we're going to be hitting, and we'll be able to check what the face is doing, if it's going to be open or closed, and whether this is open or closed, or whether this stays more square through the impact, and whether this has rotation through the impact. So that's what we're trying to check out today. All right, let's do it. Sam?
Let's get to it.
You ready?
All right.
So we'll start with the pistol grip. Right? So let's put that on there. So we're up and running. We're going to do four. We're going to do four with the pistol grip and 4 with the gravity grip.
A little shove.
Come on, concentrate.
Looks like on average, I was 1 degree open. Path 1.5 in out, which is pretty good. Angle of attack 1.4 up. But I was 1 degree open face to targets. That was pretty significant.
All right. Now we're going to go with the gravity grip now. All right.
Switch it up.
All right.
It already feels more solid. Like, it's almost as if like my hands are traveling through at the same time with the putter head.
Okay, 4.
Let's see what we got here. Face to target on average, 0.6. From switching, just putting the gravity grip in my hand, changing nothing else, we went from 1.0 to 0.6.
0.6, okay.
Yeah, so we improved 0.4 of a degree.
So that's close to me. That's barely missing a 20-foot putt.
Right.
It's 0.5 is a 20-foot putt. 1 degree is just barely making a 10-foot putt, right?
Right.
So that was a 40% improvement immediately by just the grip.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Simple as that. All right, so we are back in the MyGolfSpy LabX testing facility. You know us at MyGolfSpy, we're a little bit thorough with our data processing, so we wanted to get a little more data on both the gravity grip and the standard grip from the Evnroll ER1. We only had about 4 putts there at the PGA show, so I went ahead and got 25 putts on each putter, and we wanted to see if the data would hold up consistently to what we found at the PGA show in that first couple putts. It was actually very consistent to what we saw at the PGA show. The gravity grip showed me at 0.4 face angle from square, and then the standard grip showed me 1.3 from square. So almost a full degree improved using the gravity grip. Standard deviation numbers are also a little bit telling. You know, we like to look at consistency. And standard deviation on the gravity grip, 1.4. And then for the standard grip from Evnroll, I was 3.7. Subjectively, I like the Evnroll gravity grip. It's heavier. It's definitely heavier. So if you're a light putter guy, this probably isn't for you. Definitely counterweighted. You can really feel it in the grip. The grip is bigger, it's heavier. But the thing that I like about it is you kind of just get the putter going and it just swings. You swing it through. It almost feels like you don't have to do really any work. That I'm a heavier putter guy. But regardless, that face stayed more square. The standard deviation numbers were better. I know I made more putts. I was really impressed. I'm definitely going to ask Aaron if he can send me one. All right, that does it for us at the MyGolfSpy LabX testing facility. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe to our page if you want to see more content like this in the future. See you next time.